Hello guys, welcome to GeeksforGeeks. Today we are going to see another problem, how to turn off a particular bit in a number. The problem statement is, given a number n and a value k, turn off the kth bit in n. For example, if input n is equals to 15 and k is equals to 1, the output is 14. Here in the binary representation of 15, we have to turn off the highlighted bit which is at k is equals to 1 position. And once we do it, the number becomes 14, so the output is 14. Let's see another example. Here, input n is equals to 15 and k is equals to 2, so the output is 13. We have to turn off the highlighted bit which is at position k is equals to 2. Once we do it, the number becomes 13 and hence the output is 13. Let's see how to solve this problem. The key idea is to use bitwise left shift operator, bitwise AND operator and bitwise NOT operator. In step 1, we get a number which has all bits set except the kth bit. How do we obtain this number? First, we do left shift operation on 1 by k minus 1 position, and then we complement the number by using bitwise NOT operator. We will shortly see an example for this one. Now in step 2, we do bitwise AND of this expression with n. We get a number which has all bits same as n except the kth bit which is 0. Let's understand this using an example. If n is equals to 27 and k is equals to 4, then we have to turn off the fourth bit in 27's binary representation. Now, as we discussed earlier, we will create a number which has all the bits set except the kth bit. For that, we do left shift operation on 1 by k minus 1 position, that is 3 over here. We obtain this number and then we complement this number using bitwise NOT operator, and that's what we get here. If you look at this number, all the bits are set except the kth bit, that is fourth bit in this number. And when we perform AND operation on these two numbers, the result has all the bits same except the kth bit which is 0 now. Let's see the code for that. In the main function, we call turnoffk function and we pass the value of n and k. Inside this function, first we check if k is greater than 0 or not. If k is not greater than 0, we simply return the number, that is n, because k is not a valid position. Else, we first generate a number with all bits set except the kth bit and then perform bitwise AND operation of this number and n and simply return the result, which kth bit has been unset. The time complexity of this approach is O of 1 and the space complexity of this approach is also O of 1. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.